Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to claim daily credits on Temu. First of all, you need to open Temu. Then you need to go to the search bar and type claim credit. And you will be redirected to this page where you will see different games. For example, this spinning wheel. You need to stop it and you will get the gift, guys, from Temu. So for example, I got one more chance, so I will spin it again. Now I have got 40% credit back. So this is how you can get some daily credits on Temu. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.